Hi there. Today we're going to try something very special over in Major area. One of the more unique dish that you can have in Thailand will be Krapow Kai Yao Ma. It's fried fermented egg with basil and pork. It's extremely delicious, and I can tell you most of the Thai outlet would be able to do this dish for you. Remember the name, Krapow Kai Yao Ma. Go and try it. Okay. So what you have here, this is the fermented egg, and this is the pork. Basil is here. Okay. So basil. It's extremely delicious. The uniqueness in this dish is such as it's spicy. There's the herbal taste from the basil, and at the same time, the fermented egg give this very unique taste that you don't get anywhere else. What they do is that they will slice up the egg and fry it for a while so that you get a very crispy skin on the back. And then after that, they stir fry the basil and the pork together, and then top it over the fermented egg. Not a lot of people try this before, so if you are ever in Thailand, you should try this dish out. This is extremely delicious. Up the egg and fry it for a while so that you get a very crispy skin on the back. And then after that, they stir fry the basil and the pork together,